If you love lots of windows, vaulted ceilings that lend to the openness of a home, then this is the house for you. We are at 5 Crescent Drive in Chelmsford. I'm Linda Arpino with the Pozerycki Arpino Realty team. Behind the camera is my partner, Bill. And we are going to show you this great contemporary home, 3 bedrooms, and it has 2.5 bathrooms. Bill is kind of panning the lot. It's about an acre of land.
Emily's watching. Hi, Emily.
Hello, Emily. Nicely landscaped. We are in, if you're familiar with Chelmsford, it is off of Park Drive. If you went near the Chelmsford Golf Club, for anyone who's a golfer, it's right sort of in that section of town.
Leslie is watching. Leslie, hi.
Hey, Leslie. So we can come on in and we'll take a nice tour of this house that's coming on the market this week. Come on
And
in,
welcome
Bill.
to the first day of summer.
Woo-hoo.
Longest day of the year.
Oh boy, long day.
Long day with
I'm
me, Linda. Sorry.
spending it with Bill, I think, most of the day.
It is, yes.
So when you walk in, it has a nice open foyer. We have Bill sort of pan. It's open up the top. So I sort of mentioned the lighting. So you can see we have, right when you come in, we have the skylight. We have the open wall upstairs. So it looks over onto the foyer when you walk in. Have that sort of half vaulted ceiling all the way through the foyer and into the living room, which we're going to head into first. The living room has hardwood floor. Most of the first floor has hardwood to it. A few spots, bathroom and the foyer have the tile. Again, you can see the large picture window in the front, adding again to that sort of natural light.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day outside too, so you'll see the good amount of natural light that they get in basically every room.
So we're heading into the dining room. That's a nice sized table, so that's, 6 around. Good sized dining room. It has a chair rail around, which adds a little bit of feature. I like the 2 colors for the top and the paint, white down the bottom. Love the blue color up top. Again, has a nice set of windows off to the side here.
And I'm just going to swing back around.
And then will lead us into the kitchen. Lots of cabinets in the kitchen.
Lisa's watching.
Hi, Lisa. Said it in unison. Granite counters. The seller did just recently put in that backsplash.
Very pretty.
Has the stainless steel appliances. It's a gas range. Has a little bit of a breakfast bar here.
I'm going to back up. And then I'm just going to swing to the right just so you can see the front door that we came in, help you keep your bearings as we go through. That is where we came in, right there.
So again, for cabinets, it's all the way around, top and bottom. There's drawers as part of the breakfast bar here. When we go into the family room, you can see beside the fridge, but there's also more cabinetry over here.
Janice is watching all the way from North Carolina.
Hey, Janice, you moving to Mass? Come on.
No, I'm moving that way.
And then I like how they've opened up the wall here. So you can see while you're in your kitchen and doing things, you can still see everybody, whoever you're entertaining, in the family room. So again, above the fridge and to the right, there's the extra shelves and cabinets. And then again, we have the half vaulted wall in here, the skylight, the big bay window.
Here we go.
So the hardwood continues from the kitchen into the family room. So now we're at the back of the house overlooking the backyard.
Another nice big window, letting a lot of nice light in. Ooh. We'll do the backyard after, but the nice little fire pit with some nice chairs around there. I'm just going to back myself into a corner so you get a full look at the room.
And a gas fireplace in the family room, which is nice to have. So it's good size. Opens again into the kitchen. Ceiling fan. It's not, you don't often get those vaulted, and that's a little bit about the contemporary feel that they call it to it. But really, contemporary just kind of means you get the extra, a lot of times, height in the ceilings, which gives it that open feeling, as well as the windows. There's lots of windows typically in a contemporary. Otherwise, it looks kind of like a colonial, except for those couple little features, which I happen to like. So we will walk afterwards. We'll go out here for the last two rooms before we bring you outside, but we'll go upstairs. I'm going to show you, to finish the first floor, I'll show you all the doors. Behind door number 1, that would bring you down to the basement. Behind door number 2 would bring you outside to walk to your 2-car garage, which you saw at the front. And then door number 3
is the price look it over.
Priced at what? Is the half bath. So that has the tile flooring, has a pretty vanity in there.
Oop, let me get the flooring a little better for you. Yeah, the camera's not
Camera doesn't like
happening. And then we're back.
And we're crooked.
And we're crooked for some reason on this. But sorry if
It's
we're
all right.
crooked.
Maybe I'll look even now. So if you came in the front door, there's 2 nice closets here. Coat closets. You could use one as a coat closet, one is a little bit more like a pantry, which is how the owner's currently using it. There is also central vac. And let's head upstairs. The seller did just put the new hardwood floors.
And as I go up, I'll scan back down towards the family room area. And then you can see the open concept as we get up here.
So we'll start at the end of the hall. There are 3 bedrooms up here. This is a really good sized bedroom. The hardwood is all throughout the 3 bedrooms up here. Really cutely decorated.
Very nice.
This has, as Bill swings around, you'll see it has double closets as well.
There, the double closet. Thank you, Vanna.
You're welcome.
Whoa, I almost fell down.
Bill's tripping. So this is the 2nd bedroom, also good size. Saying the darker hardwood floors are all up here.
And I'll swing around just so you can see this obviously has a closet as well. Just get you another angle of the room. There we go.
And now let's take a look at the full bath. So this one, the master has its own separate we'll look at. So this full bath is for the other 2 bedrooms that are on here. The seller recently redid the flooring as well as the vanity in here.
Swing around. Nicely done.
And now we are entering the master suite, primary bedroom. Laundry is on the 2nd floor, which is nice. And this bedroom is a front to back bedroom, so there's plenty of room. The seller uses it as a home office.
Let me swing over there.
Sorry,
That's okay.
wrong direction. So they use it as a home office. They have a little bit of a sitting area, obviously the bed. And it's got 2 closets on the other side of the wall. And a little bit of an interesting feature because they have almost like a little spa room, which Bill is heading towards now. So it has a jacuzzi tub in its own separate bedroom that has also a linen closet on its own separate room, not bedroom, as well as a linen closet in there.
And you probably saw it hanging down. This is pull down stairs to the attic.
So if you want to relax at the end of a hard day, lock yourself right in there. No one can bother you.
Lock yourself in.
Don't
Okay.
bring your phone in.
No.
And then this is the primary bathroom for this bedroom. It has tile flooring. It has a tub and a shower.
And it does have a nice double vanity. Oops. Very nice.
So that completes our second floor. We'll head back down and we'll go out to the 2 rooms off the side, and then that will bring us out to the backyard we can take a look at. The seller also recently replaced the hot water tank, so that was in like the last year. Let's head on down. Which way you want to go, Bill?
I'm going this way.
All right, I'm following
We
you.
went the other way last time. Right back through the kitchen.
So these are 2 extra rooms. The first room you could really use any way you would like. I think it would make a great if you wanted a more permanent home office. I think it'd be a great permanent home office. If you needed a workout room that you wanted up here, that's how they use it more frequently. It's more like an exercise room here. And then we'll go out, it has a slider. And that is a heated sunroom that we're going into. Windows all around, ceiling fan, has the hardwood floors.
We'll definitely spend a lot of time out here.
Yeah,
Nice and private.
This is one of my favorite rooms. So again, we are at 5 Crescent Drive, for people joining us late in Chelmsford. It's over 2,500 square feet. It's on about an acre of land, 2-car garage, the 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And let's head outside. Got it?
Got it. Ooh, it's bright out here. I'll stay up top for just a second, and then I'll give you a look from the back towards the front.
So it does have a shed on the property. It does have central AC.
So you probably saw the shed when we first started from the front, and here it is right there.
So it's got quite a bit of side yard, quite a bit of front yard, and a good sized backyard as well. So it's nicely located on the lot as well. We had the little fire pit that Bill had mentioned from one of the windows, and have the seating around it.
And you may have noticed when we were out front, the driveway does come down also onto the side of the house. So you've got plenty of outdoor parking, and you do have a 2-car garage. I'll just swing a little bit over so
parking
you
was
can see it.
recently extended, and recently the driveway was recently paved. So really there's nothing to do for this one, but really just move in. I mean, it's very immaculate on the inside. All the updating has been done for you. All the hardwood that you would want. So it's really just move-in ready, enjoy the neighborhood, enjoy this part of Chelmsford. We are going on the market at the end of the week. Showings will start on Thursday and go through the weekend, and all of us due on Monday. And it'll be priced at $739,900. So if anyone has any questions, feel free to put them in the message area. We are watching those even after we finish our live video. So thank everybody that attended with us today.
Thank you, everybody. When you do go back on, if you want to look at the full video, it'll be on our Facebook business page. Please like the page so you can not ever miss a video from us again, as well as we'll cross-post over to YouTube. And when you get there, subscribe to YouTube because we have fabulous videos, right, Linda?
YouTube, king and queen.
That's right.
Thanks a lot for joining us. I'll see you later.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.